How hard is it to get some seeds? Okay, got 4. 5.
Four's enough. Four's enough.
You never know, these niggas are stingy. I see that, that's why.
Yeah.
Fuck with my dude, the green! The green!
The green? You want the green one?
Come here, shorty.
Oh, that motherfucker did not like you.
You bitch. Get you one more seed. You don't fuck with me. Last seed. Alright. Get one more seed. If you don't fuck with me, fuck you. That's 7 seeds. That fat bitch is 8. And they still don't love me. Yo! Do I have arrows? Yo!
You're